We're just taking the beam off. I can't find my jack stands again, so fuck it, but we'll do it. I've just took these handbrake cables out of there, which were a pain in the arse because they're all seized. I'll have to get me light charged up, get under it. I'll film it coming down. Yeah, because these are... Oh, they're not feeling good. I've got no room. Oh. That is well tight. God, that doesn't sound good. Oh, there's some cage things inside of it. It's fucking come on. Oh. Oh, the joy. Oh. God, I don't feel good. God, just snap, do something. Just coming up. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm just gonna fucking cut it off. There's me big smasher. Just come down, fucking dick. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, she's looking crusty. Oh yeah. Oh, she's looking fucking crusty. Whew. Oh, I've got to open this side door up and try and get this. It's down. Shit and hell, look at that. Fucking hell, Cedric. It's lucky that calmed down. It looks fucked under here. Yeah, look, let me show you this. Look. Nice one. So your rear beam was sat on that. What the fuck? And this, well, like this is supposed to be like a really good car as well. What the fuck? Other side don't look too pretty. This is what we're getting to. We're getting to all of this shit. Tank out, beam off. You can see that rusty bit better there. The rest of it don't look too bad. That pump bracket and everything needs changing. All of these pipes and all this wiring and all this shit is going to be redone. All these brake pipes, everything is going to be redone on it. I've got to strip all of this back to bare metal. Now, fun.